Hello, how are you doing today? Hope you are fine wherever you are. Welcome to yet another video. And in this video today, we are going to teach you how you can use our Compxm Excel template, or in other case, you can call it Compxm Google Spreadsheet. I'm going to take you through how you can enter values and also how you can use the result from those values. So usually we just need the coordinate that is for research and development, that is performance size, and reliability coordinates, so that when you enter these values, you're going to recalculate what you need to enter into your Compxm, that is for R&D, marketing, TQM, and all other departments. So let us go ahead and we can start. So first of all, what you need to do is first to identify the market segment. When you are given your Compxm, you need to identify the market segment so that you'll know where to enter these values into the Compxm Google Spreadsheet template. So in this case, you can see our first product is Apple, and Apple, you can see it has the largest performance when you compare to 8, which has 5.7, Arctic has 8.4, and Alan have 11.1. So it means Apple is an elite market segment product. And the second one, you can see it's 8, it has 5.7 performance. This is the lowest compared to all other 3 products, and this means it's from thrift market segment. Arctic has 8.4, is the second lowest when you compare to others. That means it's in the core market segment. And finally, Alan has 11.1, which is a little bit lower compared to what Apple has, which is 13.2. That means Alan is from nano market segment. That's how you identify different product and also the market segment where they belong. So when you go to our Excel template here, you see the first product that we have listed is from nano market segment. That means we are going to we are going to use this row to reflect what you are going to enter when it comes to nano market segment product, because you can see here it is written nano market segment. So to avoid confusion, maybe we can just start by using brackets so that we can enter the product name from our Excel, actually from our Compxm spreadsheet. And from here you can see we have said that Alan is the nano market segment product, so we just enter the name Alan here, and we are going to change the value. You can see the instruction here, they have said replace value with the yellow background with value from your Compxm. So we are going to replace our nano values here, that is performance and size coordinate. So what we're going to enter is 11.1. Already you have 11.1 and 7.2, and for round 1 we'll see we have 12.1 and 6.2. So we are going to enter here where we have 11.1, we are going to change to 12.1, and where we have 7.2, we are going to change to 6.2, and then reliability we are going to maintain the same, which is 24,000. For the second product is an elite. You can see we have from Compxm round 0, we have 13.2 and 9.2, that is for performance and size respectively. So when you enter those values where we have yellow background for elite, so we can just change the name, or we can add the name to avoid confusion. So our elite product is Apple, so we'll just enter Apple. And then when you enter 13.2 and 9.2, we see for round 1 we need to change. Where we have 13.2, we need to change to 14.2 and 9.2 respectively. Reliability is going to remain the same, which is 26,000. For thrift we have 8, so let us change to 8. And then in this case we enter 5.7 and 14.5. So round 1 coordinate is going to be 6.5 and 13.9 respectively. Reliability is not going to change. And then for the next one, we have core product. We have said core product is Arctic. So we are going to enter 8.4 and 11.1 respectively. That means our performance coordinate for round 1 is going to be 9.1 and 11.1 respectively. So for these 3 products, you can see we are also introducing 3 products. You can change these names depending with what you need. Maybe the first one you can call any name. Maybe we can have X. The second one You can change as long as the name start with an A, you are okay. So let us change the name to maybe Abe, and then the last one you can change to any name, maybe let's say Ame. So as long as it starts with an A, you are good to go. And you do not need to change anything, because our Compxm Google Spreadsheet is going to calculate everything for you. So you just need to enter this value, the one that you are having blue background. So for X, you're going to where we have the NN in your Compxm. The first one you're going to give it the name starting with an A. In this case we have X, so we're going to enter X, and then for coordinate you're going to have 11.3 and 8.9. Reliability we're going to have 22,000. For the next product, which is Abe, we're going to have 13.1 for performance coordinate, and then 5.2 for size coordinate, and reliability we're going to have 24,000. For the last product, we're going to have Ame, and we're going to give it a performance of 15.2 and a size of 7.2. Reliability is going to be 26,000. So that's all you need to do for you to make changes for all round, that is round 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are not going to change anything, because when you access this template, you just need to enter the coordinate for the round 1, or the coordinate that you are having currently when you open your Compxm on the web. So we're just going to enter the values, where here we have the yellow background. The most important thing, you need to identify the market segment so that you do not confuse. So when you do that, you can see everything else is already calculated for you. The second part you're going to do is the TQM. Just going to enter 1500 on each initiative, and then the next one is marketing. You can see the values are here. You're just going to enter for nano. You can see everything the way it is. So we're just going to enter this the way they are, and everything is going to be calculated for you on your behalf. So let us just make here. So when you enter everything the way it is here, you are going to complete your round 1. And in case you'll be having any problem, or you might be having any issue, you can just comment below and we'll try to answer back to you. So for you to access this complete Excel template, kindly check the video description, so that you'll get the link to where you can access this template. And I believe with this template is going to really assist you in making this decision. In case you have any question, or you might need to access other templates, kindly contact us via WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is on the video description. Again, thank you. Have a nice time.